The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is the brain of your Ford's automatic transmission. It manages gear shifts, torque converter lockup, and adapts to your driving style. Resetting the TCM clears stored data, while relearning allows it to recalibrate based on your driving patterns and vehicle performance. For 2020 and newer models, many resets use over-the-air updates through Ford's Sync software or the Ford Pass app. This works especially well for electric vehicles like the F-150 Lightning and Mustang Mach-E. Physical resets are still essential for older models or after major repairs. Always prepare by ensuring the vehicle is in park, engine running, and transmission fluid is at the correct level. You'll need a compatible OBD2 scanner, ideally with Ford IDS for accurate diagnostics. Use it to clear diagnostic trouble codes like P0700 or P0730. First, use your OBD2 scanner to clear any existing DTCs. Connect the scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port and scan for codes. Then, access the TCM menu and perform a Reset Adaptive Learning or Module Reset. This clears the module's stored data. Post-reset, the relearn process is crucial. Start by idling the engine for 2-3 minutes. Next, drive at steady speeds, approximately 25 miles per hour, 45 miles per hour, and 65 miles per hour, for 5 to 10 minutes at each speed, allowing the transmission to shift automatically. Perform accelerations and decelerations to further recalibrate the adaptive memory. Some advanced models may offer a quick learn option via the scanner, completing the process in 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, rescan for new codes and test drive to ensure smooth operation. Skipping the relearn can cause harsh shifts and new error codes. Remember to use Ford Pass app or Sync for applicable vehicles.